Take a look at question 1. The key points are to prepare zinc sulfate from zinc powder and dilute sulfuric acid. Zinc is a metal and dilute sulfuric acid is an acid. From the chapter on acids and bases, you learned that metal and acid reacts to produce salt and hydrogen gas. Now from the information in the question, let's write down zinc as the metal and sulfuric acid as the acid. The salt produced is zinc sulfate. Why? Because zinc comes from the metal and sulfate comes from the acid, sulfuric acid. How do we prepare a dry, pure sample of zinc sulfate? First, let's recall the solubility of zinc sulfate. Zinc sulfate is a soluble salt. Why? Recall from the solubility table that all sulfates are soluble except for lead-2 sulfate, calcium sulfate, and barium sulfate. Since zinc sulfate is soluble, the method used has to be the reaction of acid and excess metal, metal oxide, or metal carbonate. Since zinc is neither a reactive metal nor an unreactive metal, we can use zinc metal in powder form to increase the speed of reaction to react with dilute sulfuric acid. After reacting excess zinc powder with dilute sulfuric acid, filter the mixture to collect the filtrate, which is the zinc sulfate solution. Heat the filtrate until a saturated solution is obtained, after which leave it to cool. To get the crystals, filter, wash with distilled water, and dry between pieces of filter paper.